My name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. So we have any component and you have in the app and you start to style this component. You apply anything that you want, how the component should look like. You make really a lot of efforts here inside of that. And there's a correlation to the themes that you can apply. And I wanted to show you this very briefly, because for every component, we have the possibility to activate these prevent overwriting styles. And that means if there will be a theme that you want to apply for the application, this button will be not overwritten with the styles from the theme. You can have a look, for example, here. I just made this double screen so I can just easy work in an app, design everything, and then I apply it back in the themes settings that we have for each component. And my classic form button looks like this. And you see this one here, I use it as a loading indication, looks a bit different. I don't want to overwrite it, so I can have these settings here. And if we would now just apply a new theme, you will see that this setting here is not overwritten, where the rest is applied directly from the theme. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.